Hey there. Wanted to walk you through how to customize the content that you just uploaded to Zight. So I just made this awesome video. I'm really excited about it. I want to send it out. But I have a couple concerns. The first one, for example, is that this logo up here is Zight's logo. It's not my company's or my brand's. Also, this URL over here, it's not mine. And I want to customize it and make it my custom domain. Also, I noticed that when I share links, sometimes it says sign up for Zight. So I want to get rid of all that stuff. I want to customize it on my own. I want to make it mine. So we're going to come to this customize page by clicking on your icon over here, your avatar. Click on settings, and you are going to move your little webcam bubble over here. Click on customize, and you're going to do a few things. So let's upload your organization logo. So I've done that here, and usually it's going to be 200 by 200 pixels. You can click on then remove cloud app branding and shared links. You can make it so that when somebody clicks on that icon, it actually redirects to whatever URL you want it to. And then lastly, you can edit the domain that comes with your URLs. And we have things like SSL certs. You can customize the domain, make it secure, and very personalized.